Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. The cabin filter may be in the engine compartment, under the glove box, next to the accelerator, or under the windshield wipers. Consult the car manufacturer's manual to locate the cabin filter. Open the compartment housing the vehicle's cabin air filter. To ensure the best protection possible against harmful gases for the passengers in the vehicle's cabin, choose which filter you will install, either the pollen filter or the active carbon filter. When installing the new filter, make sure the airflow corresponds to the directions written on the filter. Install the filter into its housing. The air filter must be disposed in the traditional garbage bin. Trust your filtration expert and find all the information and the manuals on www.fram-europe.com.